wonder how to put a title behind an object of a photo and or video like so. I'm going to show you how simple it is to be done. So let's get right into PowerDirector 19 Ultimate. What we're going to be doing is going to where your media content is at. Going to grab a photo and or video to timeline 3 to timeline 1. We're going to grab a title to timeline 2. On timeline 3, we're going to highlight Tools, Picture-in-Picture, or double-click on the image. It opens up. We scroll down to Chroma Key. We check it. We go to the eyedropper. Anywhere that you want the white part, I click it once. I scroll down, and all I have is color range to work with on 19 Ultimate. I click OK. I go to my title. As you look at the title, it's quickly going to be behind and then be brought into the front. I go to the tools of title, designer. I go to the characters preset. I want yellow. And I'm going to type in my title behind a photo or video. If I spelled it wrong, please forgive me. And I start to work my title in by either dragging it with the 4 arrows or horizontal center. I click OK. I'm happy with it. All I need to do now is align these 3 up. And I am just about done. I come over here and I click off. I basically trim my video. I lasso. I delete. And I made my title behind a photo. How simple is that? Let's do this a little quicker with this particular one here, Skateboard 2, to timeline 3, double click it. We're waiting for it to open up. We're scrolling down to the Chroma Key, the eyedropper on the background, color grade, just about there. We don't want this part here to interfere where our title's going to be here. We click OK. We grab the same video. We just want to mute my soundtracks. And I do the same thing with the title. I drag my title in rather than repeat the same process. And I play it. And that's it. You've got yourself your title behind the object. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for viewing.